Let's get after it. How's everyone doing? Let me know if y'all can hear me. Let's go crazy, chat. What's good? What's good? Hey, from Ethiopia. Thank you from Ethiopia. What's good? What's good? What y'all up to? How's you guys' week? How was your guys' week? Everything good with y'all? I'm making sure everything looks good on the... Is the stream good? You guys can hear everything? Everything's fine? Let's go. Jacko, what's good? Christian, Asbury, Sani, Noelani, what's good? Noelani, Estrella, what's good? Shout out P20. Ready for the new year? I'm very excited for the new year. I feel like this next year is like my year, guys. I thought 2024. I mean, I don't know. I feel like I sound like everyone's saying that, like, oh, this is my year, and then I'm not being. I had a great year. I definitely am not in the same place I was a year ago, so I'm blessed for that. But there is a bunch of levels I want to freaking hit that we are going to hit come this new year, because there's like, I literally have just been so motivated lately, and just, I feel like I've never felt like it's, you know, like sometimes you guys like have an idea of like, oh, I want to get this done, but you don't really know how to do it or if it's possible. Like, no, like I feel like I've been motivated so much lately that like, not only is it possible, but I'm gonna get it done. That's my mindset nowadays. You know what I'm saying? Yes, we can all agree. What's up? What's up? I really need to win the giveaway. Well, then it's up to the gods, brother. I don't ever pick. I mean, I do sometimes, but I usually don't pick a winner. The winner is always chosen randomly. So guys, this is on Jer. GJ had a good little setup I had marked up. It's still pre-session. We got another 8 minutes. Oh, wow. Playing out heavy. It was the buys off here. We swept these lows. Swept the lows over here as well. Trend line break. Kind of counter trend, but I had this marked up. Almost on to who? What's up, Luca? What's up? What's up? Bro, the art of currency trading is really like that. I told you, bro. I told you, I told you, I told you. In my city, who's with me? I'm in my own lane, Jack. You're saying jit so flame my propane rap. How was your guys' week though? Everyone who's on the stream right now, y'all gotta all let me know how your guys' week was. Give me one pro and one con. One pro and one con in the chat of this week, guys. Let me know. Taking notes, bro. Oh shit, is that Antonio? What's up, Antonio? Shout out to my boy. Shout out to my boy. Hope you're doing well, bro. Let me know how your week was. Everyone, pro and con. Besides one of the cons being that I just wasn't live one night. It's probably the biggest con ever. Okay. Pro, I've been understanding the charts more. Con, I didn't go to the gym this week. What can we do to make that a, you know? What can we do to implement that? I gotta implement the gym a little bit. Is it too far away? Or are you just too tired? Because I think you told me you work at night. What about my mentor, bro? What about it? I'm your mentor, right? Pros, was it successful? Cons was bills. Yeah. Right before the holidays and stuff. We here, bro. One pro is I started therapy, con taking time away from trading. Congrats, bro. That's awesome that you're getting some help and stuff. You know, glad you take some time for yourself, getting yourself some help with therapy. That's amazing. Oh, I was gonna tonight for show. Finally got said not to move. Oh, where'd you move to? Oh, you're in Vegas. Are we hanging out this weekend? What the heck? No, Lonnie, what's good? I'll be flying there tomorrow. Like, what's good? One pro is I drew up the charts on Sunday, followed my trading plan. When my first trade the con I was impatient with the trade, so I entered before I went to sleep and completely turned on me. Well, first off, congrats on, starting the week off with charting, following your plan. That leads to why you said you won your first trade. You said your con was impatient with the trades I entered. Yeah, so look at, you clearly just said in the chat, it's like when you follow your plan, W's. When you don't, come on. Yeah, we are hanging out. LOL, I just moved to a different spot in Vegas. That's awesome. Honestly, I found your page from Baller Busters, and I looked into you and been joining your live streams, and I like that you genuinely help people. Thank you, bro. I don't know what Baller Busters is. What is that? Did I get exposed for something? It sounds awesome. Let me know what I got exposed for. I would love to see it. Ugh. What's Baller Busters? That doesn't sound too good. Yeah, I overthink badly. Hey, man, at least you got therapy and you're, taking the steps to do better. Well, my first trade of the week. It's an Instagram page. It's lame. There's no way I was on it though. Baller Busters. Baller Busters. They didn't tag me or anything. Like, what the heck? It's a pretty big page if I was on it. You saw Mamba on it and then it filtered to me. Yeah, it's usually how it goes. Oh, well, I don't really have anything to hide, so I never am, afraid. I feel like most people, if you went to them, were like, bro, I saw you on Baller Busters. They'd probably freak out, but I don't really know what I could even be on it for. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty genuine and honest with everything. I don't hide anything. I don't buy any fake shit. The Porsche is actually mine. I have real jewelry and stuff, so I don't really know what I could get caught for. I trade live with you guys. You can't get called for being like a fake trader. I don't know. I'm never afraid. All I know is the real ones, guys, know I would never lie to you. So everyone who's here in the chat who are part of the real day one NLT members, just know that if shit hits the fan or whatever, it never probably will, but I'm just saying, hope y'all always have my back. And, you know, because the media can be fucked where, like, you can see a story about me and they'll make it seem like, and this has probably never happened. I'm never even going to probably even be that big with, like, something that can happen. But have you guys noticed that? It'll be, like, big celebrities or even, I mean, even trade. It gets sometimes happen to the traders too. But there'll just be stories about them in the media that's completely false. That causes controversy. But guess what, guys? Controversy sells. So it's all just a media game. Oh, my first trade of the week, awesome. It's an instant pro. I felt like something clicked, and now I'm looking at the charts and understanding. Con may not get presents on time for Christmas. Ordered them late. Yeah, that's such a trader thing. That's what I did today. Thanks for the positive feedback and not belittling it, bro. We all need therapy. You know, I need therapy. I just talk to myself. No, I'm kidding. No, I would never belittle it. It's we all have to do. I mean, I'm glad it should. Like, what's funny is that, like, people think that it's like, I don't know, like, oh, I have to go get therapy, like, a little bit, all that type of shit. It's like, bro, you're more of a bitch for thinking therapy, like, if you try to belittle therapy. It's like, bro, it's like, if you're actually trying to genuinely help yourself and get help, bro, that's the manliest shit you could ever do. That's why I want to be happy. Yeah, so I actually took the time to get to know you, legit, man. Love it. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. I will always have good to say about you. Don't listen to the hater. Thank you, bro. Appreciate that. GA buys, thank you. See, this is why I need people like Jacko being like, bro, there's trades going on. Like, what's good? Go check it out. Go check out GA, guys. Ooh, GA has, like, yeah, you think it's a similar setup as GJ. Like I said, it's kind of counter trend. Bro, guys, I gotta stop coming. Dude, guys, when I'm home, you know, I'm back in the Bay Area for anyone who didn't know. Bro, actually, I'm not gonna say it. I love it. I love being home. Love it. Jid, so propane wrap. Gold, I was looking at, Gold, I was looking at sweep the Asia highs, but we're pretty bullish coming into the zone. I don't know how much that's gonna work. Yeah, feel me though, son? What is the number one thing someone can do to become profitable in 2025? I actually made a video literally going over that exact thing. But if I said if there's the number one thing you do to become profitable, I'd say follow a blueprint, bro. Like, imagine, like, I'm not even trying to sell you like a mentorship or this or that. It's like, bro, imagine like learning like an actual blueprint from start to finish of like, if you do these steps and work on these things, you will become profitable. If you don't want to invest in a mentorship, make yourself a blueprint of like, but then again, it's like, you don't know. You got to just like look for the right information and then, I don't know. My thing is the fast way to profitability, guys, will always be getting someone who already is in the position, having the results, working with them weekly, and all of a sudden you're going to stop needing them because you turn to your own goat. What are some specific pointers that a trader should expect to deal with? Expect to lose, bro. At the end of the day, I say this a lot, but like, a lot of people come into trading with this mindset of, oh, I'm going to be really good at it, I'm going to get rich fast. And then when they don't, it's really negative on their mindset. You know what I'm saying? So if you come into it understanding that you're going to be a student, that there is going to be losses that occur and stuff, then it's going to be much easier to navigate in the markets because you know that this, you know, you're going to take losses. You have to be a student. You have to like lose to learn. And that might take time. But if you let the time, I don't know. I just think you should just focus on, getting to like 1% better every day. Focus on getting 1% better every day. My biggest advice. Chair's looking good, chat. Thank you, Christian. I'm a little late to the live. Did you say anything about gold? Not yet. Oh, so you ever felt like people use you as an ATM once you become more profitable? I don't want to talk about that right now, especially with freaking holidays. Bro, it's been hard. I'm not even gonna lie. It's been something that I actually had to like, yeah, I don't know. I'm not here to talk about my feelings. Because Because on the other side, it's like I'm blessed to be in a position where people can ask me for money, you know, because that's one way to look at it. But I will say I have ran into a lot of problems as of lately within this last probably couple months, even like near the end of the year, holiday stuff, of people asking for money. But like I said, at least I'm in the position that they can ask and I can give it to them. I dished out a lot of money this year towards the end of the year. And will I get it back? I don't know. I hope so. They say they'll pay it back, but you know, I just think that I'm a big person, like energy and karma and shit, and I'm just gonna keep putting positive stuff out into the world, and I hope that it just comes back. You know what I'm saying? That's all I can hope for. Guys, Jerry looks clean. 15-minute. Is everything okay, Brody? Yes, sir. I'm good, guys. I always would be happy. I would never let something kind of like hold me down, and none of that holds me or pushes me back. But I will say that it does make it super awkward. Like money is really awkward. You know what I'm saying? It's really awkward subject, especially when people like don't have money, and I don't know. Definitely like a weird subject to have with people. Well, it's just weird. Like today, I went out to lunch with my friends. We went out to lunch with my friend, or it was more of like a brunch. And Bill came, and of course, I was like, boom, Amex down. And but I'm the type of guy where it's like, I'd rather just completely pay for it, and it's like you can give me next time or whatever. It's like, bro, I ain't splitting the bill, like putting 2 or 3 cards down. It's like, bro, just give me next time. It's all good. No volume on Jared to drive, guys. Like, what is this? How many people got this? Bro, we're only 5 minutes into the hour early. Definitely looks like you can get some decent pump on here, guys. I would say this is a quick trade. This is not a trade I would look to hold and try to like swing it. This looks like it's like a short-term scalp. So if any of you guys are looking to get into Jared longs, Jared 30 longs, DAX, that looks like the trade. I can't find this trade on my broker. Look up DAX or look up Jared 40. Y'all feel me? Gang gonna kill that boy. Come on, chat. Who's got the questions? Who's got the fire questions? Guys, what should I do in Vegas tomorrow? Actually, I kind of have plans. Actually, not really tomorrow. Wait, is Noelani still here? Noelani, what days are you free if you actually want to link? And you don't have to link if you don't want to. You do not have to link with me. But I am in your hood, per se. I am in your hood, per se. I'm off tomorrow? Fire. You want to pick me up from the airport? I have a driver, but I'll cancel it. Get some dinner or something before I go out. Get some dinner, get some food. How long did it take you to become profitable? Bro, about 1.5 years. Guys, you know what popped up today too? Let me grab it. Of course, right when I plug in my phone. Oh, I should have just pulled it up on TradingView. I'm so stupid. Can you guys see that, chat? Spin ones in the chat if you can see it. Go to the sphere facts. Yeah, so trading view, like, you guys know how, like, Spotify does their wrapped up? You guys know how Spotify does their, like, wrapped up where it shows, like, your top artists and shit? Trading View today, for the first time I've ever seen, did a similar thing where it showed me, like, my top instruments, how many I forget, like, what the other ones were, but the main one that said was like, oh, let's see how many days you've been with me or been with us, you know, at Trading View. And it was 1,670 or whatever. So if you guys divide that by 365, it's about almost 5 years. So I've been trading almost 5 years, but I've only been profitable really the last, like, you know, 3. Car is tiny though? What? The Lambo's small? What do you mean the Lambo's small? No, I'm kidding. Lambos are actually tiny though. My car is tiny, bro. The Porsche? Oh my god. Shit tiny as hell. Like I said, we can meet there. We can get whatever. Just DM me. If, you know, hang out. How much money did you lose for that year and a half? I lost kind of like all of it. It wasn't really the money that I lost. That was because this is what sucked the most. Was it's not that I lost money. I actually put myself kind of in debt with challenges at this one part. Like there's just one point that I just put myself in debt buying challenges. But just thank God, bro. It led to a big payout, which I was able to pay them all off and shit. You know what I'm saying? So it worked out in the end, but it definitely was a stupid thing that, I don't know. I could talk to you about that, guys, for so long. Are you in the trade looking for other one? I'm actually not in this trade. You guys will see. I usually pull it up on here if I'm getting into a trade. I usually wait for session, bro. I'm a big believer in this, guys. I think the market produces a certain amount of A+ setups a week, right? When do most A+ setups occur? Session opens. London Open, New York Open, right? So, I don't know. I come on here, and for the whole hour before session, I'll mark up charts with you guys. I'll mark up stuff that I would get into if I was trading P-session. But I'm not looking to take 3-4 trades a night. I want to take one really good one. If that one fails, maybe look to scale back into it. If maybe I got wicked out or something. Or maybe look for a different one after that. But I'm not the biggest fan of trading pre-session, especially during these holiday conditions. You know what I'm saying? If any of you guys are, you know, me personally, I haven't been losing trades, but I've been getting hit break even a lot. I've been getting to trades, they've been going up, hitting TP1, and then coming back down and reversing and hitting me break even because there's no volume to push price. It's just consolidating. I know we did have, we just had news. GU is popping off right now or just in general? Because like I said, I know in general, like we had FOMC. So of course, there was movement then, but if you think of all the movement, like even today and then all the movement before and stuff, it's all been, I don't know. Especially the last 2 weeks. Yeah, like last week was a little decent. The week before, I actually still was killing it. I was expecting it to be a little bit slower. But this has been the first week that I really, really, really see it. There's been 2 trades this week that I've called them both also in the signals room where it's like TP1 almost TP2's hit and stuff, and then I'm still holding, and then it reverses and hits me break even. You know what I'm saying? So like, it did go in profit. It's not like it was a losing trade. Could have took my partials, but I was holding it too long. You know what I'm saying? Sellers market today on GJ. Yes, sir, brother. What up, Crypto Raccoon? How are you? Yeah, market structure's been flipping a lot past weeks. Just a little weird. Little consolidations. I think it's recalibrating from the last few days. Yeah, but it's also, you know, the end of the year, and you know, Luca doing futures in 2025. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Mostly Forex. I love Forex, guys. There's no really need for me to go to futures, but I do trade NASDAQ. So I think I'm just going to be using my Forex account for my, I mean, yeah, like my live accounts I have with Forex for GJ and gold. And then when I trade PM session, I think I'm just going to start trading futures for PM session. Just go back and forth. Price action's the same. I know how to make money. I know how to tell what the freaking charts are going to do. I'm going to figure it out. You feel me, chat? Shem, what about you? How can people switch over to futures? Very good question. Let's talk about it. Me too. Forex rules. I don't understand options and futures. Options is super hard. I would not get into options. Forex is swings. Futures to scalp. Luke, I did enter GA and set TP1 now. There we go. Explain difference between Forex and futures, please. Yes, sir. GU is about a rip. It's going to retrace. Shout out to NLT Jacko gone to GA, guys. Who gone to GA? Look at that trend line break. Boom. Oh, out to the liquidity sweep too. Beautiful, bro. Good freaking thing. TP1 hit. You need to bring it up. You got to tell Luca. Luca, I'm in. I'm kidding. You don't have to, bro. But good job. All right, so the main reason I want to get into futures is because the people are right. I am a scalper, and when it comes to NASDAQ and stuff, guys, I do like I'm a big believer in risk to reward holding trades when it comes to like Forex, gold, everything, just because you got to let your probabilities play out. But when it comes to NASDAQ, I have a pretty high win rate where I don't need to go for those 1 to 3s, 1 to 4s as much. And so reason I'm saying that is that futures has zero spread. Zero spread. Y'all know me. I like having small stop losses, going for those little scalps. Bro, if I can literally let's go over to NASDAQ, guys. These little like highs and lows that get swept and shit, I get into these on little scalps where it's like, if I'm getting in and I'm pressing enter and price is literally entering me in where like the top of these candles are, I'm hitting TP1, TP2 within like freaking two candles. Especially on the 1 minute and shit. I'm gonna go at NASDAQ on the 1 minute. No one can fuck with me. I swear. I literally swear. I'll go and trade against your guys' favorite guru. I've done it before. I'm gonna do it again. I literally used to say that before I went and did that trading competition in Dubai. I said, bro, put me up against anyone. I'll trade live. I've been trading live. I'm not afraid to trade because I'm so confident in my strategy that like I wouldn't deviate my strategy. I would just go trade how I know, and I'm either going to win or lose. That's kind of the mindset I had going into the trading competition, and I beat some of the best traders in the freaking world. That goes nothing. Stupid bitch. Can't fuck with the kid. Swear. How was the market in January? This will be my first time trading. It started like 7 months ago. I'm going to be completely honest. Let's talk about it. I want to meet the Luca from the future. Does he drive a... Luca in the future is not driving, bro. He's having someone drive him. Simple. What up, Luca? Brother, good to see you. Welcome back. NASDAQ has sucked lately. January will be better. Agreed. Luca the GOAT. Thank you, brother. Sorry, you coquette. NAS is nice, yes. Let's get an LT community future 24. Let's go. Let's go. Do you do futures on him? My boy Ollie is pressure, though. That is no lie. Ollie is the... I mean, I always will give Ollie my respect, but guess what? That don't mean I won't trade against him. I'll trade against him any day of the week, bro. Ollie's the only one. When we did the trading competition in Dubai, 2 rounds, the only people that won were me and Ollie. Isn't that dope? That like one of my best friends and me were the top. Like, it just shows that we know our shit. This is toast. All right, so let's say that like, all right, if any of you guys are in the pillar chat or whatever, let's say that you guys took this breakout or whatever. I would say that the 2 kind of responses I'd give you on your journal are 2 things. One of them, counter trend. Other one, low volume. I said that right after the candle closure. I was like, damn, like, are you gonna fucking go or what? Where like, it could be a strong closure. It could have already swept and continued up. You get a strong closure above, trying to look for a continuation, and just it doesn't have volume to drive. So this is why I don't really trade pre-session. Is that I can like it, the trades can whatever the fact, but I'm here for the vibes and to help you guys. Low volume and counter trend, got it. Yes. Wait, how'd you type that so fast? I feel like I was like saying that when you already typed it. Like what? You guys see that? Okay, Nas. Okay, Nas. Let's go over to gold, guys. I want gold to fucking. What about GA? The homie Jacko got into GA. That was gangster, bro. Good job. Bro says Ollie's pressure, though. I like that word. That word, pressure. I mean, I don't feel pressure, but Ollie would be the closest thing, I guess, to it in the words of competition. It's cool having, like, friendly competition because me and him are boys, but also, like we can have that friendly competition, too, which is dope. We gotta get Ollie on one of these streams. Y'all want Ollie to come? No, I feel like it's different to the currencies now. What's that, sentiment and price action? Nah, I don't really think so. Fundamentals? Nah, because if you think about it, bro, like let's say you go over to futures and you're just trading NASDAQ and gold, it's gonna move the same and have the same price action and candles as NASDAQ and gold, but just minus the spreads and everything else. Yeah, I want to see him FaceTime Ollie and see if he's up. What time is it? I got FaceTime him. Hey Siri, FaceTime Ollie trades. Gold on futures is fire. When did you start trading futures, fucking Lewis? It's 2 a.m. It's 2 a.m. his time, chat. I don't even know why I called him. Boom. Yeah, I want to see him trade. What, am I not good enough now? What, you guys want to see? Guys, the GOAT is here. I know you're sick of me because you guys come to the live streams all the time, and I'm just this goofy guy who sits here and puts up charts, but guys, the GOAT is here. I'm kidding. So trade NASDAQ isn't considered Forex? That's a good question. If you guys did not know that, yeah, so NASDAQ isn't a Forex pair. Forex stands for foreign exchange. So when you're actually trading foreign exchange rate like GBP/USD or Euro USD or any of those, that's trading Forex. You could trade NASDAQ through a Forex platform. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know people who, like, you know, they say they trade Forex, but they just really trade NASDAQ on a Forex platform. But no, like, you know. Since I kept getting wicked out from trades, that's what I'm saying. Less manipulation and shit. Amazing, bro. Good shit. Good. You like, yeah, it's sick. Adapting. Oh, you're right, though. You're the guy. Appreciate it. Luke needs to get tatted up. Low key, bro. I'm kind of against it because I don't know how I like it when I'm older, but I wish I could have it now and then just like get it like off and like snap and then just have it gone later. Is GU and GA correlating? NLT, I'm him. I want you to think about it really hard. Is GBP USD and GBP AUD correlating? Think about it, brother. Think. NASDAQ is a marketplace? NASDAQ is a marketplace? What do you mean? I know like the extension, but like NASDAQ 100, like what we're trading is an index. What that index is the top 100 traded tech companies all in one, basically bundle in one index. 40 for watching. Take a second to like the stream. Yes, sir. Please, guys, like the stream. I beg you. Please, please, please. I'm kidding. It just helps. I mean, actually, I don't even know. I heard it helps. I just like it because I do this for free. All I ask is for you to just like literally, like you're already on the stream. Like all you have to do is just like take 1 second to just like hit the like button. That's about it. Technically, you can now though, right, with the laser removal. But it's like, why would I want to like get fully added up and then get laser removal later on? Like that sounds super scary and hurtful. What's the engulfing breakout candle strategy? Damn, Coquette. Where are you? Are you in the mentorship? Are you in the mentorship? Is that what you asked that? I told you I'd go over with you guys next call. Are you into meme coins? No. I'm into gambling though. Like meme coins. That's I'm going to Vegas tomorrow. Me and Noah Lonnie are gonna we're gonna be hitting the casino hard. LOL, super scary and hurtful is funny. Wait, what? Wait, what did I say? LOL, super scary. Wait, did I just say something? Why everyone's saying putting the eyes? Yo, what's up, Matt? Wait, what did I just say? I don't even remember. LOL, super scary. Wait, what did I say? I'm so stupid. Thank you for doing this for us for free, investing in our prosperity. I'm investing in your guys' future. Actually, I don't know. I just tried to spit a bar right there. I don't even know. Actually, I guess I am. I'm investing my time for your guys' future. Because like I said, guys, I'm a big believer in energy, and I just want to live like a really happy and positive freaking lifestyle where I know that just God loves me and will just do whatever to help me happy because I help people. So, if, you know, if I can fucking help you, all of you guys reach your dreams and shit and your goals and stuff, and just send good energy my way. I guess that's all I can ask. Just send good energy my way. Play Baccarat. Teach me how to play, Jason. I do want to play that tomorrow when I go. Luca, do you want any of XRP? Yes. Luca, we all know you're going to a strip club. I'm going for a bachelor party, so like of course I'm going to fucking strip club. Engulfing pattern with a moving average. No, that's not it. What do you like to gamble at casinos, bro? Bro, I love like craps and roulette, and also the 21, but I usually get trashed. I got rinsed the last time when I went to Vegas for Mamba's birthday, and it was me, Mamba, and Cowboy. I've never actually like, cause see, like betting, you know, gambling, it can go up and down. But the way that I lost and how consecutively I lost just playing at regular 21, and I know how to play by the book. I shouldn't have lost the way I did. It definitely, I literally have never thought it was rigged. I don't know. I probably sound super stupid because it is Vegas, but if you guys saw how much money, I don't know. I'm just a big believer in like outlasting the market, outlasting the casino, where like the probabilities are going to be in your favor at some point. But imagine sitting there for fucking 2 hours and you're just getting rinsed, like where it's just not even like where you're like you'd get a 20 and then she would just get like a 21. Like there'd be times where I literally would get a 20 and be like, oh, thank God, like I needed that one. And then she would get like a 21. and I would like die. It was crazy. Stephen Owens was good, brother. Amen, brother. Thanks, Luke. Appreciate you. Yes, sir. Luke, what broker do you use for live accounts? I have 2 right now. I have a big account with Henko that I haven't really had any problems on. I actually like using it, but I love using MetaTrader, so I actually have an account open with EPFX. I can't even lie. Cannot even lie to you. XLM is a sleeper too, bro. Facts. Do you do management for people as well? No. I honestly never have. I don't know why. I have thought about doing like some sort of, because I always thought that like PAMs or whatever were illegal, you know? But I actually figured out that they're not. So I've actually kind of opened my mind to doing it, but I think that my psychology would be messed up, like trading a bunch of people's shit. It's more of like you guys connecting your account to mine. I don't think I can just like trade it as if like you send it to me and I put it into account trade it. It'd be more like it gets put in something that's getting copy traded to my account type thing. You play basic strategy for blackjack? Yeah, like I really just play by the book and fucking double when I need to, fucking stay when I need to. Like I don't go too crazy. I have good risk management. I thought I could just outlast the markets, bro. That shit did not happen. So there's play bank and then so there's player bank. Yes, one of them's called player. Player bank and tie. Dealer gives 2 cards for player, 2 cards bank. Closest hand to 9 wins. All face cards are 0. 2 cards bank. Closest hand to 9 wins. All face cards are 0. So face cards you don't want. You just want higher actual. That doesn't sound too hard. Bro, I grew up in Vegas. The casinos crush. In good or bad? They crush in a good or bad way. TB2 hit. Congratulations, guys. W's in the chat for NOT Jacko. He actually was the one, guys, when we came over to GA. He said, check it out. We marked up these lows. We got a nice sweep. It came back double sweep. Look at that nice little trend line break. Entry right there. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. I do roulette. Usually comes back with gains. I know that I lose though. Facts. I'm putting 7K live and I'm looking into Henko, but I normally trade with small accounts with Sway. Nice, bro. How do you do that where it copies your trades? When I was in Dubai, I met someone who explained it to me and was like, because like I said, I always just thought I couldn't do that. And he explained to me how you can and stuff and was like, nah, bro, I can help you set it up or whatever. Where just like the trades I take, like it takes on your guys' account too. You can find a casino with a single deck blackjack, you got a chance. Yeah, single deck, exactly. What's the most people you've had in a stream before? I think 190 something. I think we were like right at that 200. You guys remember that? I used to stream a lot, bro. I've been streaming for a while. The only reason I don't really get that many viewers as much anymore is I'm not that consistent with it. But I am now. Like I'm starting again, but I stopped it for like this whole entire year. Like if I kept doing it when I moved down here with Mamba and Cowboy and shit, it would have been lit. But I stopped streaming. But we're back. We're back better than ever. 2025 taking over. Casinos take everyone's money. If you cheat the system, you can win or. Yes, like yeah, facts. Do you ever reap doors before ending a trade, or you just go in? Depends if it's kind. Really, just depends. Hi everyone, what's up? What's up? 777's Vegas slots. Is that the best, Lotus? Copy and trades can be automated. If I set it up, I don't have anything like that right now. But we're talking about it. Like if I had something where it's like I would take a trade and then it would copy over to your guys' accounts and you make money too. Yeah, player 101 bank. And oh, what? Those look like some good odds. Keep at it, bro. Yes, so we're back here. We're keeping back with it. Would you ever do a collab stream with Mamba? Yeah, bro. Me and Mamba do. I mean, if you guys are in the Blueprint Currency Cave like mentorship thing, I mean, me and Mamba are doing lives all the time. There's not on, you know. He's doing a huge stream tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow, 5 p.m. He's giving away 10K worth of stuff on his stream. If you guys are stupid not to be there. I'm gonna be in Vegas. I don't know if I'm gonna go over to his house tomorrow, but I'm gonna go into his house this weekend. Do you like using Henko? I've had no problems with it, honestly. Sometimes the actual chart, I mean, but use the trading view to chart, like, you know, the charting can be kind of slow, but everything else is fine. You trade the same strategy as Mamba? No, I actually use something different. But I originally, like, I kind of learned the strategy, you know, so I know how he trades, I know all this stuff, but I just like kind of waiting for certain things. Back with the new laptop and everything, let's go. Will there be a steady schedule for this live stream? It's usually every day around or at 11 p.m. PST. Here, live trading, live stream with you guys. It's always around this time. What do you do to enter his giveaway? You just gotta be there on the like literally, you just have to go to his X, or I think it's on YouTube. No, I think it's on YouTube. Little cube on the back and make it automatic. Don't even gotta turn on demon mode. That should be automatic. Which platforms let U.S. residents trade with MT5? There is none. No brokers. There is some prop firms that still have it, but there's no brokers you can use. That's what I'm saying. The only way that I use it is because I actually had the homie open up an account for me overseas, and then I use it. I sign in and I use it, and then deposit the money into an account in MetaTrader, and then I use MetaTrader. So if I look it up, like I'll show you. If I go to my MetaTrader account, it's a live account. Like, I'm gonna cover the name. It's a live account, but the name isn't mine. That's why I don't really flex it, is because like people are gonna be like, "Oh, it's not your whatever," but it's like, bro, like I literally am here telling you guys, why would I lie about that? It makes no sense. No, I literally just, you know, have people that live in different countries that I trust, whatever, that open me an account so I can put money into it, and I can sign into it too. What you got, like, one thing that you guys think is that because MetaTrader is banned in the US, that like because you're in the US you can't go onto it. No, that's not it at all. If you're here in the US, you can use MetaTrader if you have Wi-Fi or service. It's if you're a US citizen. You know, if you're not a US citizen and you're in the US, but you can have an outside address and, you know, a card and shit, then you can still use MetaTrader inside the US. It's just if you're a US citizen. I'm getting on TradeLocker tomorrow, but I don't know if Osprey is the right. Yeah, I gotta research one, guys. I'm gonna find the best broker for everyone to use for the US. I'm gonna find it. I will find it. I just need to look around more. I like TradeLocker. That's what I'm saying, is TradeLocker is so sick. You know what? You know who does have TradeLocker, I'm pretty sure, as a broker? Should I even say it? I feel like I'm just endorsing all these brokers. I don't really endorse, like, I liked Henko, and I still like use them and stuff. They're still good. TradeLocker more than MT5. Yeah, like once you get used to TradeLocker, it's fire. Who's your favorite artist at the moment? I've been listening to a ton of Frank Ocean, I can't even lie. On some sad boy shit. Even though I'm not sad, it's literally just I love that vibe. You use a VPN? No, that's what I'm trying to say is that you don't need to use a VPN. You can be in the US and use MetaTrader. It's not a problem. It's literally just if you're a US citizen. Like, that's why if anyone can go download MetaTrader right now and go into it and stuff and use it, but you can't actually like open up a broker account and use MetaTrader as a US citizen. 24K mark. See, but like, who is that? Osprey, is it? Exactly, there you go, Osprey. But also I was gonna say Athens too. So I was gonna use the Osprey's been around for a minute too. Like Mamba used to use Osprey back in the day. You remember that? Don't even gotta put on demo mode. That should be automatic. I'm not sure. I have no idea. I really have no idea. All right, guys. We have a nice 20 minutes until session. How much do you need to start on Henko? I think it's like $100 or $200. How much do you need to start? What is a good amount to start a live account? All right, everyone listen up. This is my best advice when it comes to if you guys are wondering if you guys should go from the demo to live, live to demo. This is my honest advice. There is no better trading strategy than... Actually, I don't want to say strategy. But there's just nothing better and no more proof of concept behind just having confidence in your strategy. That's my real answer. Is that everyone asks, how much money should I put into it? When should I start? This or that. It's like, bro, when you have an undeniable just basically track record that your strategy works, your confidence is super high, and you're like, I'm going to go do this on live now. Whereas, like, if you're not really that confident, you still have to kind of, like, wonder. I don't know. I just don't think you're really that ready yet. Advice on funded accounts also. I love funded accounts. That was my fast pass to getting bigger payouts. Was able to use that money for other stuff. It's a little harder, I think, you know. But the concept of you getting more capital to get larger payouts and shit, that's real. I'm living proof of it. I was getting little, you know. It's like I'd have to, if I had a $2,000 live account before I knew about prop firms, I'd have to make 100% on that account to make $2,000. Where then when I get funded $100K, I'd only have to make 2% to meet $2,000. It's way different. Have you been having execution delays with Henko? I have been having delays in dropping orders. Yeah, like sometimes. That's why that's why I don't use it all the time anymore. That's why, like, at first I was talking about it heavy, and now I only talk about it sometimes. I still use it, and I still have the account in it. It's not like it's bad enough where I'm fucking need to go move everything and shit, but definitely not like nasty. But like you said, kind of delayed, where you're just getting in later and it's jumping price up and you get a bad entry. It's definitely just not it. That's why futures. But I heard futures you get bad fills. Am I wrong? Because I brought that up to someone who trades futures. It was like, bro, on futures you get bad fills. Like it'll just fill you. Like yes, there's not spreads, but it'll enter you in late as if you like have freaking had spread. I had no idea being funded was different than a prop firm. It's not. It's the same thing, Nolani, sorry. So like a live account, let's talk about it, guys. A live account is with a broker where you just sign up, you deposit money into that broker, and then whatever money from that, you just do an internal transfer into your trading account and you trade with money. Being funded is a term from when you go to a prop firm. Prop firm is a proprietary firm, which proprietary just means like of something like like an individual of something like bigger kind of whatever. So think of like you're the trader of this firm, right? So when you pass their evaluation process, you become what's called funded. When you're a funded trader, means that you're funded with however much money on the account you pass. So anywhere from 5, 10K all the way up to 100, 300, 500K. And then when you're funded, it's not really your capital that you're risking. You're risking the firm's capital in exchange for a profit split. So let's say you're funded 100,000 and you make $10,000. Well, if you have like an 80-20 profit split, you keep 8,000, they keep 2,000 for funding you the money. That's how it works. I still had Jared 30. Nice. Nice. Should recover or whatever. What prop firm do you recommend? I mean, Clarity's good. Who else? I don't even know right now. Like I said, FTMO has always been the goated one, and guess what? They got yapped. But the only other one I've really used lately besides that is Paradise Capital. And I don't know if anyone's interested in Paradise Capital, but I always tell you guys that if you guys are not funded and you guys are trading on demo, I can get you funded accounts through them, and they're on TradeLocker. They're on TradeLocker. So if you guys like TradeLocker and you guys want to trade anywhere from 5,000 all the way up to 500,000, I have the way to get you basically just go, pay an activation fee, send it straight to live. If you lose their capital, do you have to pay them back? No. You do not have to pay them back. That's got to be the way to go, funded. So I'm saying I can get you guys funded. Not so nice, I'm down 60. Yeah, sorry. How hard is it to beat a challenge? It just depends on the rules. You know, there's just rules. That's what makes it hard. That's how. You know what I'm saying? What's called live accounts can be easier because there's no rules and you can just go for a little profit, whatever. And prop firms may have some rules. Paradise have been playing with payouts. It's because they have rules. I keep saying this to everyone, but people just don't read the funded account rules. It's right on their screen. They'll go get the account, start trading on it, and then not read any of the rules about the consistency rule, which my whole thing is this, because I've seen the back end of prop firms. I know the statistics and stuff. Most people who get payouts, they're not consistent with it. This is how it usually goes. Let's say you have a $100,000 account. You usually will lose trade 1. You're down 1,000. You'll lose trade 2. You're down 1,200, right? Whatever. Let's say you're down 2,400. But then that third trade, you win it, and it goes 3,000 or whatever the frick, and then you're up 1,200, and then you want to request a withdrawal. Well, a lot of these firms have a thing called a consistency rule. Clarity has it. Paradise Capital has it, where you can't have more than 30% of your overall profit target be from one trade. I think Paradise is 50. So what that means is, let's say that you made $10,000 in the account. All that means is that more than $3,000 can't be from one trade. That's not asking too much. Because if you can't follow that, that means that you're just a gambler and you're getting lucky in the markets. Right? Because all these people who are like trying to whatever, they're just hitting one trade and trying to do that. And the firms are like, whoa, whoa, whoa. You're not showing that you're consistent. I don't want to, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to, like, we don't want to fund you the money if you're just getting lucky. I literally talked about this on the prop firm panel when I was in Dubai. I was like, people complain about the consistency rule, and usually that just means that they can't freaking trade, honestly. And where do they pass? What happens next? You just have to trade it, and the money you make on top of the account, you can request a withdrawal, and you're going to get a certain percentage of that withdrawal. Okay, so when I choose a trade locker, I'll choose Paradise instead of Osprey. No, that's what I'm saying. That's the difference between a broker and a prop firm. If you guys want to use your own money, do a broker. If you guys want to use a prop firm and use prop firm money, you know, that's different. What is Paradise's profit target? I think it's 8% or 10%. But like I said, if you guys freaking buy the one step whatever, I can get you guys funded. What if it's accelerated? I think accelerated, there's no consistency rule, but once you're funded, I think there is. Like, I think it's one of the newer rules or something. You have to show risk management. That's what I'm saying. So like, that's not risk. Like, not being able to follow the whatever is showing that you're not. It's risk. Like, if you're someone who takes 5 trades on a prop firm challenge and takes 3 losses and 2 wins, but one of those wins is really big and one was really small, that doesn't show you're a consistent trader. It shows that you just got lucky, right? And you just happen to be on the right side of the market, and now you're requesting a payout, which I do think, like, you know, you did get correct and you should get a payout. You know what I'm saying? It's not like you should be like blocked from it, but that's stated in the rules before you do it. If you don't want rules, go with a live account. There's no rules. You can just deposit into a broker and you can trade your own. Consistency rule is funded only on the one phase according to the site. There you go. I'm scared to get a funded account and blow it. Like I said, that's where confidence comes in. So like, you know, what I would recommend is like whatever size prop firm account you guys want to go for, open that up on a demo. So let's say it's 100K. Go open up a 100K demo account. If you can turn that account from 100K into 108K, let's say 3 times in a row, go get you a freaking challenge. You prove to yourself that, oh damn, I just passed it 3 times on a demo. I feel confident, you know, let's go. Maybe even 2, whatever you want to do. I don't like the consistency rules that ask you the same lot size. I get what you mean, but that's just another thing also. Oh, I get what you mean though. Yeah, that's where it gets tricky because that actually happened to me once. And once again, guys, I'm not lucky, you know, even being the trader I am and stuff, it's not like I don't have to follow these rules. I actually had once where, you know, I entered a really big Forex pair trade, like lot size on like GJ or GU. So it was a really big lot size. But then I opened up a NAS position like the next week or something that was really, really small because I wasn't even wanting to risk the regular amount. So it was a really small lot size. And that actually went against the rules because there is lot size limits. It's not like you have to use the exact same lot size, but it just means that you can't go and use a 40 lot and then go and use like a 1 lot. That doesn't show consistent. You know what I'm saying? So I did that once. Been treating my account as if I was managing money from a hedge fund, helps me protect capital and risk management. Boom. That can help your guys' psychology. Pretend the money that you have inside the account is not yours and you're just like, you're freaking just managing it. That's a good way to put it. True about the rules. Read through rules of clarity again yesterday for the 10K account. Just waiting for the login details. Hell yeah. Let's get it. I can't use the same lots as an indices in a major pair. Exactly. Yeah, exactly. So that's the one thing That actually does suck. 100%. I'm P21, can't wait for a class. I'm going to learn as much as I can from you. 100, 108, 3 times. I don't know what that means, but I'm shout out P29, and I can't wait to work with you, brother. GJ, what are you doing? Tell me about it. Chat, what do you guys think of the trading screen? Because this screen is much smaller than the screen I used to have on my streams with the big sideways one. Is it annoying that it's so zoomed in? Let me know in the chat. Put a 1 if it's okay and you didn't even really notice it. Put a 2 if it's pretty small and you're like, what the fuck? Ones? For real? Not too bad. I meant turning the fund account from 100K to 108K 3 times in a row. What period of time? No period of time, brother. It's all about whenever your strategy plays out. Whenever your strategy occurs. Thanks for the ones. Appreciate it. All right, so it's not that bad. Easy. How do you turn on the yellow and green lines? I probably would just not. These are smooth moving averages. If you're talking about these, like these lines, there's no really need. I've been using them for so long, so my eyes are just adjusted to it, but I wouldn't say that you need them that much. If I were you, I would just go cold turkey. All right, GJ. Have to see. Chat, also, if you guys are new here, make sure you guys are subscribed, but also have gone and watched the recent Dubai vlog, because I do have part 2 dropping maybe tomorrow. If I drop a video tomorrow morning, guys, will you guys watch it? Or should I wait for Sunday and Monday? What do you guys think? I gotta get together, keep it fun again. Antonio, we'll hop on a Zoom, brother, and we'll explain it all, and you know, you'll know when you're ready, bro. You'll feel it. It's a must watch. Thank you, bro. Yeah, wait, will you guys watch the one tomorrow? Even though it's a Friday, I always hesitate dropping them on the weekends because I don't know. I guess actually you guys should watch it, but a lot of you guys are busy and shit. Facts, waiting for part 2. Thank you guys. Appreciate you guys' support. Maybe I will drop it tomorrow morning. Just waiting for the thumbnail. We should meet up and have dinner in Vegas. Yeah, if you want to come say what's up, definitely let me know. I'm out there for a bachelor party. So we do have an itinerary, but tomorrow is like the most chill day. Tomorrow or Monday. Monday, actually, that's actually a good one. If you could, Monday in the morning, my flight's not till 2 something. So if you wanted to do Monday anytime, we could hang out. Or if you wanted to come meet me at any of the spots I'm at. But when it comes to actually getting dinner, I think I have plans booked all the nights for the bachelor party. But I would love to see you if you want to come meet up. My coach, yes sir, Haniel, what's good? What pair should I trade during London session? I'm doing futures. Do gold, brother. Do gold futures. Or does futures have JAR 30? What is your highest RR trade? What is your biggest trading loss? Bro, I always try and think about it. It was either this NAS one or JAR 30 was the highest R to R one when it comes to like risk to reward that I actually held by closed partials on it. When it comes to like the biggest like singular win from a single trade in a day was roughly 30K, brother. I did marketing historically. Tuesdays are good days for drops. My SEMA. Yeah, that's why I always say that. When it comes to trading indices and stuff, I usually don't even trade Mondays. I trade like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then don't even really trade Fridays. Those are like my 3 like indices days. Does it have JAR 37? Yes, sir. That's a good day, bro. Yeah, bro. I mean, I wish I was getting those 30K all the time still. I want to get back to those funded accounts, guys. There was a point where I was just funded hella. I meant for the drop of your part 2 Divide vlog. Awesome, bro. Hell yeah. Oh, damn. London just opened. London open, yes sir. Steve Rosales in the building. Go chat. What's good? Everyone, W's for Steve. Maybe we can meet up Friday somewhere if you are free. We will be in Cali. Cali what? Oh, the following days? Hell yeah. All right, yeah. Then yeah, tomorrow. Let me know. What's the most funded accounts you had at one time, bro? Bro, I can't even lie. Couple mil. My senior year of college. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy times. This is gold. Is gold breaking out for the buys, chat? Or is it just a wick fill? What y'all think? Steve, what's good, brother? What are you looking for, gold? Looks like volume might be shooting it up right here. The hourly looks like it kind of wants to fill that wick. But if I'm being completely honest, earlier my original thing was that. But I also understand that we already came down and fuck, delete this shit. You can see here that we like came up, made a high, rejected this low, and then re-broke structure. So the fact that we keep moving up does show that like buyers definitely are in control. But if buyers are in control, where are they buying from? They're buying from there, they're buying from up here as well. And their stop losses are down in this area where, you know, we don't have to come down yet. We still could buy. But like for how long? We can buy up into here to then come and head for the stop losses, because then, you know, this looks like a big M pattern, which definitely could play out as well, you know. I always talk about the W's. when we're in, support looking for longs, I look for nice M formations for shorts. Yeah, feel me? I keep your hoe on stale. I just tell her ring nigga. Hit her from the, she can't do nothing, but yeah. And she's smart as, I got that bitch straight out of Yale. GJ just lurking sideways, like what's good? Sideways. Cycle moving up a bit more. That's what I'm saying. Definitely gonna go. Appreciate all the game, bro. Yes, sir. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Oh, there we go. Gold line, literally, I'm telling you. Liquidation, liquidation, liquidation. Hell yeah, I'm passing my phone in when I risk we're going to Dubai. Hell yeah, we're going to fucking Dubai. Alright, chat, I'm gonna head off here in a second. But I appreciate everyone who was here. I am gonna get into my trading session. I gotta zone out. I feel a little distracted. I didn't trade. I've been hitting break even so much. There's some good volume in the chats. If you guys want to come freaking trade and take my trades, live trade with us, guys, we're gonna be going crazy in VIP. This is the link right here. Stop playing with the kid. That is the link if you guys want to come and join. If not, I'll see you guys back on stream next week. Make sure you guys are in the free Telegram and the Discord as well, because that's when we're going to be staying, you'll be staying up to date with the streams, because Monday night I probably will stream. Tuesday night we'll see. I'm not entirely sure. Oh wait, no, because isn't Tuesday Christmas Eve? So probably not. And then Wednesday's Christmas. Then I'll try Thursday, but we'll see. So make sure you guys are following me, Luca.NoLimit on Instagram, so you guys can stay up with all the content. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the YouTube for the video dropping tomorrow. And then also make sure you guys are taking time to still focus on trading, focus on the charts, but spend some time figuring out and paying attention to what is going good in your life, what you can do to stay happy and positive and all those type of things, especially during the holidays, especially heading into the new year, because when it comes to the end of the year, guys, I don't want you guys freaking I don't want you guys going into the new year with any of your guys' old 2024 bullshit. It is a fresh year where the way you think and stuff, you are a new you. Think about it. You really are a new you with the way you're thinking, what you're doing with trading, this and that, where it's the fresh start to a whole new life for you. And it starts at the new year. I mean, you're already working towards it now, but really focus on the stuff that you're grateful for. Pros and cons. I always bring it up. Pros and cons. With all pros, there are some cons. It's not like none of us have any problems and stuff. So just make sure that we are double counting our blessings. I hope, you guys are blessed to even have a device to even be watching me, even if you aren't in the best position. There is someone always in a worse position. So be grateful. I love you all. Thank you guys all for your support. It really does not go unnoticed. I am a big fan of you all. And I would do anything for you guys. So I appreciate it. And, if you guys need anything, I'm only a Discord message away. I'm only a freaking Telegram message away. I'm only a Instagram message away, even though I'll block you. No, I'm kidding. But just know that the only thing getting in the way from you being at the place that you want to be is the work and the discipline that you have to put in. It's not going to be easy, but I know you can do it. Because think about it, guys. I love that analogy I got from that podcast where it's one podcast where they say oh, I asked these people oh, what are the chances you making $1 million this year? And everyone's like, ah, 0, oh, like 2%, oh, 1%, whatever. And then, um, you know, they asked like, oh, well, what if you have to make $1 million by the end of the year, or someone in your family gets cancer or dies or something? And everyone goes, oh, 100%, oh, 90%, you know, like, oh, I'll do it, all this type of stuff. And it's like the goal didn't change. The acts that you have to take didn't change. It was just that, you know, obviously something negative has to come out of it, but you would do anything to work hard to make sure that that didn't happen. So it's like, what if you like really went that hard, where you were like, dang, my family won't eat as much, or like my, you know, I want my future to be bright, so I got to work that hard to make sure I do, you know, I will accomplish that by the end of the year. You know, you're only a FaceTime. Shout out to you, Nay. Hell yeah. No cap. Luke replies, go. I always reply to you guys. You know, you guys can always DM me. Discord, Instagram, and shit. I always try my best. I always like will go through my messages, you know, even the requests and shit when I, you know, I try to my best. So I know a lot of you guys have questions following up the streams. Luca, we love you. Make your break time. Many people count on me for sure. Good advice. Love that, bro. Just know that not just those people are counting on you, but the future people are counting on you, your future kids, their kids. You guys can be the freaking difference in start of a whole new freaking, like, you guys can sit there and be like, think about where your parents came from, your family tree, and you could be like, fuck that. My kids are going to be those fucking spoiled little rich kids. I don't know. I don't know where I'm going with that, but Diddy all the way. That's fucking hilarious. You should talk to my boy Lewis about that. I guess I heard that they're friends. No, I'm kidding. But I appreciate y'all. I feel like I just ranted a bunch, but for real, I just want to motivate you guys going into the new year because, like I said, no one can do anything to stop you from accomplishing and, you know, doing what you know you can set out to do. So just freaking do it, guys. Unplug. Oh, Steve's gonna laugh. Literally, Steve, you know. Unplug, guys. Society's literally made so that you're stuck in this thing that I guess you're supposed to call life, but we all know that there's much more to it. Especially when you can just make money from your phones like this. It's fucking insane. Go experience it, guys. Whatever you guys want to do in life, figure out where you want to be, work backwards, and figure out what steps you have to take to get there. And yeah, it's that easy. You're the best, bro. 25 minutes to be the best. Thank you, Hanya. You're the best, bro. Did the goat? No, did he? Shut the fuck up. DAX to the lowest possible buys. What you think? Nah, that's the overall direction. So I wouldn't really call that a sweep, you know. This is what I would call a sweep up here. If I'm being completely honest. Already bearish, pulling up, taking out highs. This is the sweep leading to the next manipulation, distribution. I'm going to figure this stuff out. You got this, Antonio. Thanks, Luca. Thank you, Green. Appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Please be safe. Vlog dropping tomorrow. I'm recording a vlog this weekend in Vegas. Make sure you guys are following my Instagram. I'll post stuff. It's going to be awesome. Spam some 41s in the chat, guys. Spam them. 41s, 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 41s. I love y'all. God bless you, Luca. Thanks for being the best coach ever. Thank you so much, Noelani. If you wanted to hang out, hit me up. I would love to see you. You've always been super nice, so let's definitely meet up. And everyone else, guys, please take time to review all your guys' trades from this past year. What have you done? What have you done right? What have you guys done wrong? How can you grow from it? And let's just go into this new year freaking swinging. Like there's nothing in the way. We swinging for the stands. But I'm just going to end it there, guys. Appreciate y'all. Y'all know you can get there. Y'all are the ones that can do it. No one else can freaking get there. But I appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Peace out. I'm out. Too much spitting bars for one night. I ain't freaking say no Kit Kat. Say no Kit Kat bars. Peace out, chat. Later. Have a good one.